Apfeldoktor Germany, Ben. Hi. And today, on this wonderful Saturday, we just do a fast video for what's that? Samsung Galaxy A310 A3 2017. Okay? And the problem is the USB-C port on this device it's always the same. It's from the factory, it's a bad design, and the pads have to be rebuilt, and we have to solder down a new USB-C port. And we will do this within this video. After that I do another video, but in German, because some German viewers wrote under the videos they want to see a German video again, so I give them an iPhone 7 error 9. I already did error 9 video in English yesterday or 2 days ago, so I think should be fine if we do one German video between all these English stuff. Okay, so we take out the screws, then we take out all these parts here, get up the battery, screen, all the connectors, the camera, antennas, and so on, and then we can get out the SIM reader, the SIM slot, sorry, and then get out the board. Normally there is just one screw for the board here. Then we can get easily out the board, and I can show you the USB-C port on this wonderful Samsung device. Okay, and I show you the problem. Do you see? All these pads are loose. Do you see that? They all don't have contact to the bottom. It's really crazy. It's a really crazy design. Andy, have a look. Here, do you see that? No one of these pads is soldered down. Great. So let's take it out. And normally on taking out, most of these pads come out with the port, and we have to rebuild. I use a cheap crap flux from China because our flux is empty and we will get new on Monday. So I have to work with crap flux. Crappy flux. Get out this port. Oh! We got all the pads on the board. Never seen before. Do you see? Pads are still there. Now we check if they are connected or not. We see it when we take the solder wick. Some solder on the solder iron, and then gently, need some more solder. Gently have a look if the pads are still connected. If not, they come with the wick from the board. So that's one of the first I see where all these pads are still there. So now we take a new port, a new USB-C. Should be this one. Yes, it is this one. So we have to take out the solder here and here. Therefore we need some wick, a little bit of solder and a solder iron, and then you can take out the solder here. Don't want to work, so we needed a little bit more solder. Just need new solder irons again, because mine are fucked up again. So they only work well from one side. Gently, just wait a short time, and this should be okay. So what you could do now is get some more, take your hot air, and just do it one more time again with hot air. Because it works faster and it is 100% clean. You see? Now it looks great. And we can place the new port. Just have to get it down there. And yeah. So let's just pin it on here. Just pin on here and here. We take hot air in a second to get it on in the right way. Okay, fine. Just move a little bit to the left. Okay, great. Then we have to get on some solder here. And here. And again. Like before, because we work with the NT105 with the nace to be. It hasn't enough power without any preheat. So we do it in that way. And it works really fine. Same thing here. Okay. And now we get up some flux here. Now we can hook up some solder. You could go over it completely. So if these pins connect to each other, it's no problem. You can do it later. Okay, you see that? And now you can just do it in that way. I want to have back my good flux. I want to get back my good flux again. So if we got some solder here, we can get it at the right points. So give some solder, it's no problem. If we have too much, just take a wick, get it off. And you see, you can just take your solder iron, go to the side, and if you see on some points there is a little bit too much, or you have connection between two and it doesn't want to go away, just do it in that way. Okay? It's really hard because my good flux is empty. So, and now we should be finished within a second. Take the wick one more time, just to be safe. And yeah, should be fine already, but I just go a little bit over it. I take 183. But from the roll, you can take paste too. It's the only one which hasn't enough. The rest should already be good. Oh yeah, now it's good. One connection between them. Just don't know why. Won't work. So we can be faster here, but it's okay. Do it slow. The main thing is that we do the work right. Okay. Okay, should be done. Just take your contact cleaner and your painting brush, clean it. Check it, you see if all is soldered down correctly. So we should be connected everywhere. Only this one here. Like I said before, has to get a little bit more. It's really not the best flux. This one is not sticking. Yeah, but now it should. What about the post today, Andy? What's the post? Or was it DPD? Okay. You see, this connector is hard. Normally I do them within some minutes, but this one point don't wants to take on the solder. So now it should be fine. So now we got it, you see? It's okay. Sorry for the convenience, but sometimes I need some longer time too. On these easy repairs, mostly you get more time spent than on the word repairs. And now we can check if it works again. So it's really hard time, 18 minutes for a repair like this. It's hard without doing jumpers. Normally in this time you jumper all the whole port. But yeah, it's okay. Now we take a cable. We take the cable and have a look. Yeah. I can go to the on hands. And it charges. It's okay. So we should start the device now. So when I take out the cable, have a look that it works at both sides of the cable. And it works. We got 1.4 ampere, 1.4 amps. So it charges normally and works. Just get it at the other side. Same thing. Same thing, same thing. Other side. Here you see. You see, you've got the symbol at the right top. Here's the same. And here we got the same. Works. There it is. Just a small repair. USB-C port on an Galaxy A3 2017. I'm out. We see us with the next video. And then we do something more special. Okay, I'm out. Have a nice weekend. Yours, Ben.